This video will show you how to apply for a program grant through the Connecticut Health Foundation's online grantee portal. The first step is to visit the website, cthealth.flux.io. If you already have login credentials, you'll go ahead and log in here. If you need login credentials, you'll go ahead and create an account on the right side. Once you're in the portal, the first step to apply for a program grant is to submit a concept paper that briefly describes your proposed project and the expected outcomes. Click on Apply Program Grant and review the eligibility requirements and grant cycle deadlines for this program. At the bottom of the page, when you're ready and you believe you are eligible, click Apply Now. It is important to note that the grantee portal does not auto-save while you work on grant proposals or progress reports. Be sure to regularly click the Save button in the bottom right corner to ensure your data is not lost. Each time you click Save, it will exit out of the edit window and show you a read-only view of your proposal. You're now able to complete the concept paper application. Complete all fields in the application form. If your proposal has a fiscal sponsor, please provide us with details for that organization, including a primary contact. When you've completed the concept paper, you'll click Save. You'll be taken to a read-only view of your concept paper where you can either edit it or submit it. When you click Submit in the bottom right corner, a box will appear that says Note for Submit. Please do not add any important information in this note box. It will not be considered as part of your application. Just click OK. A message will appear that says you successfully submitted a concept paper if all of your fields were complete. As you see here, we have a lot of empty fields that were required, so we get a message that says there are incomplete fields that you need to edit. You can go ahead and edit them here. A draft proposal that has not yet been submitted will appear under the Request section tab called Drafts. Here you can, again, either edit or submit your concept paper. A submitted proposal will appear under Pending Decision by CT Health until either revisions are requested by the Foundation staff or the proposal moves to the next stage of the review process. If the Foundation staff invites you to submit a full proposal based on your concept paper, you'll get an email notification. Log into the grantee portal again, cthealth.flux.io, and navigate to the Draft tab under the Request header. Navigate to the correct proposal and click Edit to begin to complete your application. You'll notice that all of your concept paper responses are in this form, right here in this section. They are now read-only and are to be used only for your reference. Be sure to complete all fields of the application. Required fields are bolded. Towards the end of the application, you'll see the Expenditures or Budget section. Click to download the proposal budget worksheet. Complete it in its entirety, and at the end of the application right here, under Documents, click this blue plus sign and upload your completed proposal budget worksheet. Also upload any other required documents and supporting documentation. Here you'll see the requirements for a 501c3 organization. Again, you'll just click the blue buttons to upload. Add a file, click Start Upload, and when the status is 100%, you can exit out of this box. In other documents, you can attach other supporting documents, such as your policies or procedures that show your organization's commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion, or letters of support if applicable. When you are finished on this, you'll click Save. On the new screen, you can click Submit to submit it. Again, you'll get a message that says you've your proposal has been submitted, and if there are required fields that were not completed, you'll get an error message that says you need to complete those fields. If the foundation invites you to submit a full proposal without a concept paper, you'll find the application in the same place under Requests, Drafts. Your application can be viewed in a read-only form under Pending Decision by CT Health until either the foundation staff requests more information or a final decision is made. Oftentimes, the foundation staff seeks further information about a proposal. Rather than doing this by email, we can now do this directly through the online portal. When we have follow-up questions, you'll get an email alerting you to log into the grantee portal to respond to our questions. Your proposal will appear under the Request section, Revisions Required. At the top of the read-only view will be a message to the applicant. Under Table of Contents, you'll see follow-up questions from CT Health. When you're ready to edit, click Edit, click Follow-up Questions from CT Health, and you'll see the questions that the foundation staff has posed to you. You can respond by directly typing into the text boxes. When you're done, click Save, and then click Resubmit. Your application will move back to the Pending Decision by CT Health folder until a final decision is made. If you have any questions about this process, email grants@cthealth.org.